This review analyzes the Sony RX1R III, a compact, full-frame camera. While its overall build quality and handling are excellent, the camera has some notable drawbacks. Despite its premium price tag, the screen and viewfinder are not top of the line, and the previously available flip-out screen has been replaced with a fixed one, a decision the author finds puzzling. The camera's main strength is its exceptional image quality from a 60-megapixel sensor combined with an optimized Zeiss 35mm f2 lens, all within a small body. It features a significant improvement in autofocus speed compared to its predecessor and includes a practical cropping function to simulate 50mm and 70mm focal lengths. However, the camera lacks several features expected for its price. Key criticisms include poor battery life, around 250 shots, a slow 2-hour charging time, and the absence of internal ND filters and image stabilization, a feature found in its main competitor, the Leica Q3. The article concludes that while the Sony RX1R III is a highly capable professional tool, the reviewer expected more substantial upgrades given the 10-year gap since the previous model. Nonetheless, it is predicted to be commercially successful as the most affordable full-frame compact camera on the market.